Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jess if you're new. Hi, I'm Jess. I'm excited because I'm finally doing a first impressions and demo of the W7 or whatever. What are we? Totally random pressed pigment palette. That's what the packaging looks like. It's super cute. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. And this is what the shades look like. Now clearly it's meant to be a dupe of the Anastasia Riviera palette, which I missed out on, but these look absolutely gorgeous. We're going to play with them, get my thoughts, and yeah, let's do this, shall we? This palette costs $10 at Chemist Warehouse. It's one of their newer palettes by W7, and I do like that the bottom row is all matte and the top row is all shimmer with corresponding shades. W7 is actually cruelty free. They're a UK brand, and yeah, I'm excited to play with this. Take that shade there. It's called Says Who. I'm going to link all the shades I use in the description bar below, because I find if I stop and start with trying to put my glasses on and all of that, it'll take forever. I think you can tell the difference between that eye and that eye. Not a bad little shade. I'm then going to take that one, which is a deeper version of the first one. I love that there's a lot of mattes in this palette. It's building up quite nice. Not a bad shade, it's pretty. They build up really well, they blend out. Not patchy at all on my eyes, which is great. Different brush. That is super pigmented. Going on really nicely. They're blending out really lovely. That's how they're looking on the eyes at the moment. They blend out really nicely. I'm going to take, I was thinking of doing a purpley look, and that purple looks beautiful. Wow. I wasn't expecting that. That's actually really pretty. Obviously it's looking a bit more pinky on the eyelid because I have used the other peachy shades. But it's building up nicely. It's not gone patchy. I thought it had at first, but it hasn't. I like that shade a lot. This blends out good. How we're looking on the eyes are really going on quite nicely. They're smooth, pigmented. Really pretty colour. I just think I could have done more purple if I hadn't used those peachy shades. That colour just to deepen up the crease. That is a beautiful brown. They've not gone patchy or muddy, the colours are still there. I'm really liking this palette. Really impressed with these mattes. Pigmented, not patchy. Going on quite well. Oh, that is so pretty. Might need a little bit of help with wetting it. I'm using it as Spray by Mud, it's one of my faves. Back in with that purple shade. That's better. That's what we like to see. Not had any fallout either. That's how it's looking. Really pretty shimmer. Mix a bit of that one and that one together. It's turning out really pretty. Loving these shades. Corner highlight, I'm going to take that one. Actually, I might take that one. Just for something fun, because why not? They are crumbly, but they work. And then on the brow bone, I will take that other one. Alright, I'll finish off the makeup and come back with my final thoughts. Alright, so this is the finished look. I'm actually really happy with how it's performed. For a $10 palette, 14 shades, they work quite well, especially for the price. W7 always usually does pretty good eyeshadow. The shimmers are crumbly. If you can see there, they are definitely on the crumblier side, but I got it to work, so I'm happy about that. The mattes actually are really good in this palette. I do quite like the mattes because they are very creamy to blend and they didn't disappear either when I blended, so I love that about that. And I love that they've got the corresponding shades and a lot of mattes in this palette. Here are the swatches. I did one swipe swatches, not to make them pretty, but just so that you can see all the different shades. They swatch quite decently actually. And yes, I'm terrible at swatches. Overall, this palette is really cute. I like the packaging. That's on the back. 12 months shelf life. And you get 10.5 gram of product in this palette, which I think is pretty good for the price. Now, I think my favorite shade is this gold one and the purple that I used anyway. Yeah, I'm very happy with this palette and I'm even happier that I got it on sale. Let me know if you want to see any more reviews like this, especially of W7 products, because W7 products is the best. And yeah, I hope you stay safe, stay well, and I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye.